Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am going to be unboxing my August Boxycharm. When I was just saying August Boxycharm, I second guessed myself like 4 times. I was like, August, no, July, no, June, no, August. It's crazy. But I have my Boxycharm here. I just got it in the mail today. And let's just jump in. Also, make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video after I unbox this month's box, because I do a Boxycharm recap from the month before. So after I unbox this box, I will be talking through July's box. All right, so let's jump into this thing. So we've got the little card here. Theme this month is Life of the Party, which, man, if that doesn't describe me, I don't know what does. Being a little sarcastic. Alright, I'm just gonna jump in. The first thing is from Adese. I think that's how you say it. Adese. And it is a organic infused age-defying nail treatment essentials. That is the strangest name I've ever heard. Sweet almond cuticle oil. There we go, that sounds more like a name. I do my own nails, and so a cuticle oil is really great. I haven't bought a cuticle oil in literally so long, so I'm game for this. The one thing I don't like about cuticle oils is they always smell funky. Like there's always like a weird smell to them. I don't really know why, but let's try a little bit of this. I actually do have really dry cuticles, and so I'm kind of excited for this. That was nice. It was actually kind of a lot lighter of an oil than I thought it would be, so we'll see how this goes. Not super exciting to like unbox, I guess, but like it's a useful thing. Next is an item that I'm also not very excited about. They're lashes, and these are from House of Lashes, and they're in the style Siren, which are kind of intense. I never wear lashes. Like we got lashes like 2 months ago, and I keep saying that I'm gonna try them, and I finally bought lash glue because I thought I had some and then I couldn't find it, but I finally bought lash glue and I still haven't worn them. And they're like way more natural looking than these. And yeah, I've heard House of Lashes are really good lashes. So I think I'm gonna save these for a giveaway because I'm sure someone would really enjoy these. I just don't ever wear lashes, so. Next we have something from Bang Beauty. And it looks like mine got a little like damaged in shipping. Let's see, it says gel eyeliner. Dang, yeah, there's a little like chunk out of the glass here, or not even like chunk out of it, it's just like kind of chipped, kind of could come off at any point. Oh, yep, there it goes. Well, the sticker is kind of holding it in place. It's the chocolate gel eyeliner. I'm kind of bummed with this one too. We got a gel eyeliner like, again, like 2 months ago, and it was black, and I never wear brown liner, and I literally never wear the black liner because I don't really like it. I haven't used gel liner in like so long, and I kind of remember why I never wear it. It's just like a hassle, and I don't feel like it wears well on my eyes. I don't know if I just have like oily eyelids, so it just gets everywhere. So I'm kind of bummed out about this. Dang it. 3 items in this box. Well, I'd say 2 that I'm not going to use. 1 that's just not very exciting. We have something from Smashbox. It's the Be Legendary lipstick, and it's in the shade Bomb Basic. Interesting. I've never used a Smashbox lip product, so I'm kind of interested. It's nice packaging. Oh lordy, yeah, that's bright. That is bright. Should I even keep this? Is it supposed to be like textured? Like, is this normal? It's like textured and like weird shiny. I don't know. Let's do a little swatch because Oh, actually, that's kind of more sheer than I thought. Like, that was like 4 movements back and forth. We'll have to see. It doesn't make me very happy though, unfortunately. Dang, this is just like not my box. Next is something that I knew was coming. This was something that everyone was getting. This is from Laura Beauty, and it's the Party Animal palette, or Laura Los Angeles. I don't think it's Laura Beauty. I was kind of interested in this. I've never used any of her makeup products before, but this is a very bright palette, which is very outside of my comfort zone. But I'm kind of interested. I am interested in this like yellowy green color. It's a Party. I'm also gonna try Karaoke here. Hungover. Ooh, that one's really soft. And Bottoms Up. That one's a little bit more scratchy. And the It's a Party one wasn't too pigmented. I'm gonna go back into it. All right, let's see how these swatch. Interesting. So the pink wasn't super pigmented, and it's not like a shimmer, but it's like a matte shadow with glitter in it. The purple is metallic, and actually the more I blend it out, the better it looks. And then the blue is matte, and it's not very pigmented. And then the yellow is matte, and again, it's just like not super pigmented. I've kind of been on the lookout for like a great yellow eyeshadow recently, and something that I've realized is that I think maybe yellow is a really hard color to do. I don't know. So if you know of any yellow eyeshadows that you really like, let me know. All right, so we'll see how this goes. But this packaging is really nice. I enjoy the size of this. It's got a really nice mirror in here. And so, I mean, it seems like good quality. It just, I don't know. We'll have to see how it goes on the eyes, because you never know with swatching it. It's different. And then we actually got 6 items this month. So the last item in here is from Wander Beauty, and it's Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I literally still have the eye masks that we got last time. So they're like little eye masks. You put them on under your eyes, and we got them, geez, it's been a while, like in spring sometime, maybe even like winter. We got some from south of Maine or something, south something, I don't remember. We got some eye masks, and I've never used them, but I feel like I've been waiting for like the perfect time to use these eye masks, so maybe I should just jump in and try them, and so maybe I'll just have to do that with these. We did get something from Wander Beauty last month, and so kind of interesting, we got the same brand 2 months in a row. So we got the eye masks, the palette, the brown liner, the hot pink lipstick, the cuticle oil, I'm balancing, and the House of Lashes lashes. This is a bummer box for me. Like, this might be my least favorite box we've ever gotten. Really unfortunate. I'm so bummed, man. I feel like there was like some good potential for this box this month, and I didn't like really anything. But you never know until you try it. I might just have to try these things and like see how they go. But if you subscribe to Boxycharm, I would love to hear about what you got. Was yours better than mine? I hope it was. But like I said earlier in this video, I do a Boxycharm subscription recap every month. So next month in September, I will be talking about these products that I just unboxed. But today, we are going to talk about the items that I got in my July box. So honestly, July and August were like complete opposites for me. July was like my dream box. Like, everything I got in my box, I love. And I have used multiple times. Trolley, can you chill out? 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 Can you chill out Everything that I got in my box in July, I pretty much love and I've used a lot. So let's jump into those products real quick. The first thing that I think I've gotten the least amount of use of is this mask, and I think this might have been the thing that I was most excited about. But I have a lot of masks that I kind of like switch between, and I try and do a mask like 2 or 3 times a week, and so I just haven't used this one a ton yet. But this is from Pharmacy, and it's Bright On, and it's a vitamin C mask. This mask is super interesting. I didn't realize it whenever I unboxed it, or even the first time I went to go use it, that it changes colors. So it comes out as like this purpley color. Oh my goodness, Trolley, chill out. Comes out as like this purpley color, and then as you rub it onto your face, it turns into like this light green color. And it's really interesting. I feel like I do enjoy it. So the back says, a vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup and impurities to visibly improve the appearance of skin, texture, and tone. And so I do feel like it does help with like the tone of my skin. Like it's definitely like a brightening mask, which is really nice because sometimes your skin just feels like dull and like lifeless, and so it does help with that. The thing I was hoping from it is that it would be like a spot reducer. I have acne, and while it has gotten a lot better like this last year or so, whenever I do get a spot, it sticks around for a long time, and I get like scars that just like linger forever. Like I've got some just right in here and right over here. Like there's no bump anymore, and there's not really like a thing to cover, but it's just like this like dark spot on my skin. And so, which I think I just touched it with eyeshadow too, which doesn't help, so just ignore that. But I was hoping that it would be kind of like a spot fader, and as of yet I haven't noticed a difference with that. So, but again, I haven't used it like a ton. Maybe I'll try and use it a little bit more. Next item from last month is this blush. It's from Note, and it's the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade Desert Rose. I love this. I'm wearing this today. It's kind of faded because it's like 8 o'clock at night and I did my makeup this morning. But it's this really pretty like peachy nude color, and it's honestly beautiful. I love this blush. It's super pigmented, so I do go in with like either a stippling brush or just go in with a really light hand, and it goes on beautiful. It lasts all day. As you can kind of tell, it's been on my skin for over 12 hours, well over 12 hours, and it's still there a little bit. And so I love this. The color is beautiful. The product that I was saying that was from Wander Cosmetics or Wander Beauty is this Volume and Curl Mascara. I have been enjoying this. I do notice it does help a lot with curl. So my lashes pretty much just go straight out. They don't have much curl or lift to them. Even when I curl them with like a curler or whatever, they're just like flat, and they fade throughout the day. And I do notice that this helps, which is really nice. But it is a really light, wispy mascara, which some days I'm totally cool with. Like today I have like barely any mascara on anyways, and so this would be a great mascara for like an everyday kind of makeup. But I feel like it has a hard time building volume. So I do enjoy it. Like I think it's really like light and wispy, like I said. They look really like flirty and easy. But if you're looking for like a really voluminous mascara and you're wanting to like pack on the volume, this just isn't gonna be it for you. But it is nice. I wouldn't ever really think about repurchasing it though. Something that I was super surprised with that I have been loving is from Cella, and it's the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. It has like a pomade on one end in like the cap here, and then on this end you have a little like angled brush, and I have been loving this for my brows this month. It definitely is a little bit of a dark color for me personally. I try to go in with a light hand, but it's really easy to get carried away. But I think this looks great, and it's actually really easy to use, so I really enjoy this. And then the last thing from the box was this Crown Pro eyeshadow palette. I did end up enjoying this. It's a really nice eyeshadow palette. If you're into warm tones, it's really pretty. But I will say, I feel like no matter what colors I use in here, if I'm using 3 or more colors, it ends up looking exactly the same. So you pretty much have one transition color right here. This is a light color, but it's not matte, so it's got some shimmer to it. It is a really pretty highlight color, but it's not gonna be like a matte shade to like set your lids. But you really just have like the one transition color, especially for someone that's similar skin tone to me. It's actually all 5 of these shades here are all matte. So you've got like a really pretty like caramely brown color. This one's even a little bit deeper, a little bit more red. This one's kind of a purpley brown, and then this one's more of like a brick red. All really pretty. These two are very similar though, especially once you get them on the eyes. And these two honestly are not even that different once you put them on the eyes. The metallics in here are very pretty and like super buttery. I think my favorite though is probably this one in the middle. It's like a kind of a rose gold kind of a color, but a little bit more intense than like your average rose gold shade. It's got a little bit more of like an orangey summery-ness to it. So overall, I'm really happy with this palette. If I'm okay with it coming out just like a warm kind of smoky look, which I'm honestly okay with. So I think this is great. I enjoy the mirror in here, but I really can't complain. I think it's pretty good. So like I said, July's box was like pretty much my dream box. When I opened it, I was like, yes, everything in here I love. And for the most part, I really do. Like, I really can't complain much, especially comparing it to August. August is not my friend right now. Like, I have to say, I took a little peek earlier before I filmed, and like I just got this like a few hours ago, but I took a little peek inside. I didn't touch anything. I just peeked inside and was like, My husband was like, oh, you got your Boxycharm? And I was like, yeah, and I hate it. So that's kind of my feelings towards August Boxycharm. But again, I'd love to hear what you got. Hopefully you enjoy yours. Even if it is the same as mine. Everyone has different taste, and this just happens to be my more preferred taste. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and until next time, bye guys. I haven't used a Smashbox. I've never used a Smashbox. Wow.